For large-scale industrial facilities all across Saudi Arabia, the climate itself can be your biggest operational challenge. Today, we're going to break down how our engineered HVAC systems are built, not just to survive those intense demands, but to actually master them. We're talking about turning a potential liability into a powerful strategic advantage.
So let's just dive right in with the most important question any manager can ask about their facility's environment. Because the answer? It directly impacts your productivity, your costs, and your ability to compete. And believe me, the line between an asset and a liability here is razor thin.
The heart of the challenge really comes down to this number. We engineer systems for a climate where 45 degrees Celsius is, well, it's a regular day. And under that kind of constant thermal load, a standard off-the-shelf cooling system isn't just inefficient, it's actively working against you, threatening your equipment, your product quality, and your entire operation. And that brings us right to the core of the industrial HVAC challenge. We see it firsthand, every single day. The serious issues that facilities face when their climate control systems just were not designed for the punishing realities of heavy industry in this region.
You can really see the massive gap here. On one side, you've got the typical failings of generic systems, right? They chew through enormous amounts of energy and they break down way too often. But on the other side are the non-negotiables your industry demands: absolute reliability, pinpoint precise environmental control, and of course, long-term cost efficiency. Our entire focus is on bridging that gap.
And make no mistake, these failings have real, tangible costs. We're talking about massive energy bills that just eat into your margins, a constant, frustrating cycle of expensive repairs, spoiled products, and the ultimate risk, a complete and catastrophic halt to your operations. These are the critical business problems our systems are specifically engineered to solve.
And this is exactly where our philosophy at Ask a Solution makes a fundamental difference. We aren't here to just sell you a piece of equipment, we're here to build operational resilience right into the very foundation of your facility. This statement right here, this is at the very heart of who we are. We look at every single project as an opportunity to engineer a genuine competitive advantage for your facility. That means we act as your operational partner because we're deeply invested in your long-term success. You see, our work begins long before any hardware is even considered. We start with a deep dive into your world. We need to understand your specific processes, your operational goals, and the regulatory landscape you navigate. Only then can we engineer a truly effective, custom, long-term solution.
So our engineering is really built on two core pillars. First is robustness, building systems to withstand the harsh industrial environment day in and day out. Second is smart efficiency, to systematically lower your operational costs. Mastering these two areas is how we deliver the ultimate benefit to you: sustainable, long-term value.
So, how do we deliver on this promise? Well, it all comes down to a proven, reliable process that delivers measurable results, project after project.
We follow this really meticulous four-step process. It all starts with an in-depth consultation and site assessment. From there, we move to custom system design. That's followed by precision installation and commissioning. And, crucially, our partnership doesn't end there. We then conduct comprehensive performance testing and implement proactive maintenance programs to ensure peak performance for years to come. Nothing is left to chance.
Now, this disciplined process is powered by a really critical asset: our team's collective experience. We bring more than 3 decades of specialized, hands-on expertise in the most demanding industrial environments to every single project we take on. And that experience, it's not just theoretical. It's been tested, proven, and refined across more than 300 completed industrial projects. And each one of those presented a unique set of challenges that we successfully engineered a solution for.
And the result of all that dedication to process and expertise is a near-perfect client satisfaction rate. For us, this isn't just a metric. It's a reflection of the deep trust our partners place in our ability to protect their most critical operations.
But honestly, the real proof is in the words of our clients. This feedback from Sardar Aleem Khan really highlights 2 of our core commitments: meeting our deadlines without fail and providing responsive, effective support long after the installation is complete. That's what a partnership is all about. Our expertise is trusted across Saudi Arabia's most vital and demanding sectors. From the absolute precision required in oil and gas facilities to the rugged reliability needed in marine applications, we truly understand the specific environmental challenges that are unique to each and every industry. So, after seeing our approach and our track record, what does this all mean for your facility? How do we take these concepts and make them your operational reality?
It's simple, really. For every major challenge you face, we deliver a direct, engineered solution. You've got costly, unpredictable breakdowns? We counter that with proactive, data-driven maintenance programs. Seeing rising energy bills? We fight that with targeted efficiency upgrades that deliver a clear ROI. And if poor air quality is an issue, we solve it with advanced purification systems. We're here to turn your vulnerabilities into operational strengths.
At the end of the day, our commitment extends far beyond the hardware itself. We are your operational partner, and we are dedicated to achieving 3 key goals for your business: protecting your productivity, ensuring the health and safety of your people, and strengthening your bottom line.
And so we'll leave you with this one final thought. In today's competitive industrial landscape, your facility's environment isn't just a backdrop anymore. It's an active component of your success. So, the question is yours truly engineered to win? If you're ready to transform your facility's environment from a potential liability into a powerful asset, we're ready to help. Get in touch to schedule a comprehensive assessment and let us show you the Ask a Solution advantage firsthand.